You know, there are lots of problems arising from globalization, from the widening gap of economic income, from immigration. And so there are lots and more conflicts and cleavages in society. And so I think that's why governments, as well as civil society organizations, are very concerned about the state of social cohesion. And in moments of conflicts or crisis, it's very important that a society could go together and to confront this crisis and challenges and work to solve the problems. So I think social cohesion is important in that regard.
I think the concept raises the awareness of something which has to do with development, but is not always considered in the concept of development. I think it is a very interesting idea to search for or to conceptualize.
The concept of social cohesion is really valuable in understanding how societies are living together and whether they can live better together, where they live well together, especially in terms of coming from an NGO. It's always good to step out of an NGO space, coming into a space where it's more about the conceptualization and thinking how I can take that back to understand the communities we work with and the different challenges we encounter when trying to build that togetherness.